Shopping floor of 55-inch touchscreen vending machine. Click to buy. We'll enter into this shopping page. We can do multiple purchases by clicking this one. And paid at one time. Click to pay. Remove and back to this page. When we click one product, we can click product details for more information. You can upload multiple pictures in product detail page. Tap the credit card for payment.
Authorizing. Thank you.
The product will deliver. And the pickup door will automatically open. Now we can take our product.
Thank you.
And then the door will close. If you are interested in the 55-inch touchscreen vending machine, please contact us for more information. Thank you.